Hello friends and welcome to the Active Trader. This is the first video of our support and resistance series. In this series, we will take an in-depth look at support and resistance as a part of technical analysis and how to use it in trading. We will be starting from basic fundamentals of support and resistance, understanding what is meant by a true support and resistance, how we can use moving averages, Fibonacci levels, trend lines, chart patterns as support and resistance. And in the end, we will put it all together to develop a highly profitable trading strategy based on these fundamentals. I hope you enjoy and learn from this series. So let's start with the first video on support and resistance. By the end of this video, you will learn the fundamentals of support and resistance, which forms the foundation for more advanced techniques which we are going to learn in upcoming videos. Support and resistance is probably the most important concept of technical analysis. Identifying true support and resistance is an absolute must-have skill for a technical trader to become successful. Let's see what are support and resistance levels. By definition, support and resistance are price levels where price has reacted in the past and may again react in future. If you see the chart, the line at the top indicates a resistance. This is a level above the current price and where price has reacted in the past. This can be seen by change in direction of price near this level on multiple occasions in the past. Support is a similar concept, but it is a level below the current price. The line at the bottom is a support. As you can see, the price reacted to this level on multiple occasions in the past. The support and resistance levels represent a concentration of buying and selling activity. Support and resistance kind of provides a bounding box for technical analysis. Without the existence of support and resistance, we have nothing but an unpredictable and random movement of price from one point to another. In technical analysis, we are trying to use our experience from past to make a better forecast about future. Support and resistance levels give us important price levels from the past which can be used in future. Why support and resistance is important? The first reason is fairly simple. It gives us trading opportunity. A stock price can move in any direction. It can move fast or slow. And it can also reach any level which is higher or lower compared to its current value. If we consider all these variables, then it is practically impossible to identify where and how to trade stock. We need to find out levels where we can trade the stock, either buy or sell. Identifying these levels is the fundamental use of support and resistance. We always see support and resistance as price levels where something interesting may happen. A stock in up move may slow down near a resistance or may move a lot faster if it breaks through the resistance. Either way, it gives us a trading opportunity. The second reason is it gives us a good risk to reward ratio. If you trade near support or resistance, especially a true support or resistance, you will always get the best risk to reward ratio. Now let's see what happens when price breaks above resistance. When a price breaks above resistance, that resistance now becomes support, as it is now below the current price. In this example, we see this resistance level here. Price breaks through it. It now becomes support as it is below the price level. Price pulls back, reacts to this newly formed support and then continues to move up. Similarly, when price breaks below support, that support becomes resistance. In this example here, we see this support where price reacted in the past. The price breaks below the support now becomes resistance as it is now above the price. Price pulls back to retest this newly formed resistance and continues to move down. Here is an example of a high quality short trade. We see this line as a support. You can see 6 price rejections at this level. before finally price breaking below the support. The support now becomes a resistance. Price comes back, retests the newly formed resistance, and then continues to move down in its original downtrend. Now that we have understood what is support and resistance, you must be wondering what is a true support and resistance. True support and resistance are areas where price has a very high probability of reacting due to certain key factors. These factors or rules make these levels more interesting than other levels. Looking at any chart, one can draw many support and resistance levels. Identifying these true support and resistance levels is the key to success. In our next video of this series, we will take a look at how to identify these true support and resistance levels and what are the rules or guidelines one must follow to identify them. Thank you for watching this video and see you in part 2 of the series. If you like this video, then please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos on stock market trading.